So, welcome to the most important lesson of this course by far. Below, I've linked to another school post that has the links for everything you need for every individual state you would ever want to start an LLC in. Each one has a written step-by-step tutorial, as well as the link to the actual Department of Revenue or Department of State or whatever website you'll need to go to actually start the LLC. I was going to film video tutorials for all of those, but then I also realized that they do sort of change the methods and how you start the LLCs every now and then. So it'd be way easier for me to keep everything up to date if I just did text lessons. So that's why there are written tutorials and just a link. That being said, if you have any questions or issues signing up for an LLC in whatever state it is, you can make a post in the school group and I or someone else will help you out and make sure you're all taken care of. Now, I did want to quickly mention one thing that you have to do regardless of what state you're starting your LLC in, and that is to check your name's availability. Before you send in your application, go to that Department of Revenue or Department of State's website for whatever state you're in and check to see if your name is actually available. Some states won't let you send in an application unless they know with 100% certainty that your name is available, so there's a little bit of a built-in fail-safe there. But some states do require you to actually send in paper forms to register for an LLC, and I really don't want you guys filling out these forms, sending them in, and waiting weeks just to get rejected because your name was already taken. This is also super important down the line when we're registering your businesses with the IRS to start unlocking those tax benefits, so please make sure you check the availability of your name. Make sure it's not taken, make sure it's going to be yours. Super important and saves you a bunch of time and headaches down the line. That said, below you'll find the links to all of the states you could ever possibly start an LLC in, and I will see you guys in those tutorials.